And talk about great customer service, how a local air conditioning company helped an elderly woman in tough times.
A local AC company has gone above and beyond to help a widow stranded in the heat. 75-year-old Geraldine Cox recently lost her husband of 60 years. And on top of that, her 15-year-old AC unit broke down, leaving her without cool air for a week. AC company Goettl was called out after trying to fix it. They realized the only option was to donate a whole new system, which was valued at over $8,500. The CEO of the company said once he found out about Geraldine's situation and what she was going through, there was no question they had to help her out.